आता खबर विस्तारान काँग्रेस पक्ष युजी गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचे महागठबंधन जातले सकारात्मक उलोवणी जाल्या महागठबंधन कांय सुवातांचेर फ्रेंडली वेंचणूक लढयतले अशें काँग्रेसी कडल्यान आयकलां मात आपणाक ताजो अर्थ कळुना अशें आदले आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगलां RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
No, I think, see, friendly fight is not my word. Friendly fight is a word of the High Command. So it is Mr. Girish Shodankar should ask the High Command what they meant by friendly fight. I am not saying friendly fight. It is they said that we can have a friendly fight. So I don't know the meaning of friendly fight. That's the reason I am saying let me get a meeting from them only.
Okay, and second thing, are you still confident about this alliance issue or this, or it is only that your thing is done and okay?
No, all alliance will be in place. Be rest assured. Vijay is the singer. I said no. There was only some difficulty as far as Willing seat is concerned. But as I read in some of this digital message which has come that they said that Willing also you can have a friendly fight. So I have got nothing to say about other parties. There are other parties who are going to field candidates. There are still other parties who have not fielded candidates. There are 3 or 4 days for them to field candidates. So be it. I think the people of Panjim will decide who the best candidate will be.